Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to another Chic Beauty Box unboxing. So this here I believe is my March and April box. So Chic Beauty Box is a makeup only subscription, but it comes every other month. So this one I feel like I got so late considering it's for March and April. But maybe that means my next one will be here soon. This is a box that I do pay for myself. I don't get this in PR, and it's relatively new to me, and I kind of feel like it's been a little bit of a mess. For a while, I was just getting really old products, like clearance type products that you could find at Walmart, but it's supposedly supposed to be getting better and changing up. So let's go ahead and see what's in this box here. But I feel like this is such a small box. This I think cost me like at least $35 per box. And let's just go ahead and get into it. Ooh, this is a pretty card. Oh, it has some retail values of 2 different variations that you can get, but this also sparked a memory for me that it says on here like 2 different variations that you could have gotten, but when I've gotten previous boxes, my variation wasn't even on the card. But okay, let's see what's in here. Oh, you know, I'm happy about this first product because it's the Revlon Photo Ready color correcting pen in green, which I deal with a lot of redness in my skin, and green is the color correcting color to use for redness. And it says it's a new product. Is it? But I'm excited to try this out because I think I could really benefit from this color correcting type of pen. I've never used a color correcting pen, so that's kind of fun and unique. So apparently I'm going to be getting variation 1 according to the card, and that this retails for $10.99. All right, next from Estate, which I've tried out so many products from Estate that I may have even already tried this one out. This is the Lip Thirst Buildable Color in the shade Pina. So here is how this looks. Definitely a product that I have tried out before. So I actually have a full dedicated review video on the Lip Thirst collection from Estate Cosmetics. So I'll have that linked in the description down below. And the retail value on this is $12. And next, okay, yep, so this is where I'm already veering away from the variations because here I got the NARS Velvet Eyeliner. That's not even a product on the card, but I am excited to get a NARS product. I got it in the shade Blue Lotus. Let's see how this looks. At least it's not a black eyeliner. I don't know if I feel much better about getting a blue eyeliner because I don't wear black eyeliner. I definitely don't think I'll wear blue eyeliner, but this is kind of fun, but I'm not too thrilled by it. I really do not like getting eyeliners in my beauty subscriptions. Oh gosh. I don't like to get eyeliners, but the other type of product that I basically hate, I'll say I hate to get in my beauty subscriptions, is a brush. And look at what I just pulled out. This is the Angled Blush Brush from Bellapierre Cosmetics, which I love Bellapierre Cosmetics, but I just do not need more brushes, especially just like a single one-off brush. Like this is very nice, feels very soft. I use this type of brush every day for my blush and contour, but it's once again just not a very exciting product to me. So I feel like this box is not going in a great direction. Let's see if this, yeah, this says it's a $30 brush. Wow. Okay, and then my 5th and final product in here. Oh, this is a Kylie Cosmetics product. It's the Kylie Jenner Pressed Bronzing Powder in Tawny Miami. So let's see what the shade looks like. Looks very nice. It's exciting to me to get a Kylie Cosmetics product in here. And so the Kylie Cosmetics Pressed Bronzing Powder, $19.99 value. So I got all of the products in variation 1 except for the Ace Beauté Paradise Fallen palette. Instead of that, I got a NARS blue eyeliner. So that is super upsetting to me. I really wish I had gotten the Ace Beauté palette instead of this blue eyeliner. And because of being able to see the variation that I should have gotten, that I would have preferred, that makes me feel even more upset by this box, like more disgruntled. I just think this was a big disappointment. I'll do a quick recap, but I feel like at this point I have not gotten a Chic Beauty box that I love. So I think I'm on the verge to canceling this, but let me know in the comments down below what you got in your box. Let me know what you think of Chic Beauty Box. Do you think it's worth getting? Do you think that there are sometimes boxes that are great? Like maybe I should hang on for that great box, but this was so disappointing. So yeah, let's do a recap. The brush, not happy about this. The NARS Velvet Eyeliner, not happy about this. The Estate Lip Thirst, not happy about this just because I already have tried it, but Chic Beauty Box wouldn't necessarily know that. I feel decent enough about this Revlon color correcting pen and with the Kylie Cosmetics bronzer. So 2 out of my 5 products I am glad to have, but that's less than half of my box. So yeah, sorry about this disappointing unboxing, but it's bound to happen, unfortunately, with some of these beauty subscriptions. Maybe I'll give this 1 more box and we'll see how it goes. But thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.